Welcome everyone. A bar magnet has a length 8 cm. That means its magnetic length. The magnetic field at a point at a distance 3 cm from its center on the broad side on position is found to be 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. Find the pole strength of the bar magnet. So, if the pole strength of the bar magnet, if I consider M, then the magnetic moment of the bar magnet can be find it out small m 12. So just consider this is the bar magnet of which it is set and its magnetic length is 8 centimeters. So this is my north pole and this is my south pole. This is 8 centimeter. So the magnetic moment is along these directions from south to north. This is the magnetic direction of the magnetic moment. So if you want to find out what is it midpoint, then obviously this is the midpoint, that is O, we can say. The magnetic field that is given at a distance 3 centimeter from the center in the broad side on position, that means it is obviously here, broad side on position, that is at any point on the perpendicular bisector or on the equatorial position. So this is my 3 centimeter. So at this particular point the magnetic field is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. So I am writing down the expressions now at the point P. Mu naught divided by 4 pi minus m vector divided by, if you say this is a distance d, or you can write down r also. If I just say it is d, it is 12, so you can say this is my L length. So d square plus L square to the power 3 by 2. So the magnetic field is obviously in the direction opposite to that of the bar magnet. So this direction is along this direction, that is from north to south. So if I now put the values, because the values are important here, 4 into 10 to the power minus 6, 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 4 pi. Small m we don't know, we have to find it out. 12 is actually 8 centimeters, so I just write it down 0.08, because 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 is given in Tesla. The value of d is 3, so we can say it is 0.03 square plus 0.04 square to the power 3 divided by 2. So 4 pi and 4 pi cancels out. So if it goes this side, then it will be simply 40. Here it is m. Here it is m. 0.08 can be written as 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. And here I can simply write down 3 square plus 4 square to the power 3 by 2. And if I take this 10 to the power minus 2 whole square as a common, so 10 to the power minus 2 whole square becomes 10 to the power minus 4 to the power 3 by 2. I think you understood. I have just taken this 10 to the power minus 2, after that is square. I just taken this the common and taken it outside. So it is 40 equal to m 8 into 10 to the power minus 2, 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 to the power 3 by 2. 25 to the power 3 by 2. That means 25 root of square root is 5. 5 cube is 1, 2, 5. Here if I just do this, it will be 10 to the power 4 into 3 by 2, that is 10 to the power minus 6. So what is the value of m? The value of m will be 40 into 125 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. So these will be 10 to the power minus 4. 8 5 ja 40. So 125 into 5 is 625. So it is 625 into 10 to the power minus 4. What is the unit of the pole strength? The unit of the pole strength is ampere meter, or it can be also written as 6.25 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere meter. It can be also written as joule per Tesla. Okay, so this is the pole strength. Thank you all.